Hey everyone, it's me again. Today I'll show you how to fix a sound error or sound issue with WhatsApp status on iPhone. So for this, go to WhatsApp, Settings, Notifications, and here make sure everything is set up like mine. If not, you can just reset the notification settings. If that didn't help, then make sure WhatsApp is updated. To do this, go to the App Store. Type in WhatsApp, and if there are updates, update it, like I'm doing now, for example. So after updating, open WhatsApp and check if it works. If it doesn't work, then go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Here find WhatsApp and tap Offload App. Then go back and tap Reinstall. There, and after that check again. If this doesn't help, try restarting your iPhone. If that still doesn't help, I recommend checking for updates. Software updates. So you might want to update the system, and if that doesn't help, the only option left is to reset your phone settings. There. Well, that's a last resort. It will erase your data, but it might fix the WhatsApp problem. That's all for now. This was your guide. Hit like and subscribe to the channel. See you all later.